Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be showcasing some of the Canada Goose coats that I've been wearing this season. Now I can't afford these coats, but I have access to an inventory, and of all the Canada Goose coats and other coats in the inventory, these are the ones that I've most enjoyed using this winter and are kind of my go-to coats. So I'll be going into explaining and showing some of those. Just another thing to note, I'm 5'8" and weigh about 140, so if that helps you in terms of sizing. But yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, so the first one is the denim jacket. So this jacket I like a lot because it's pretty lightweight and it's great for temperatures from like the 30 to 50 degrees, especially driving in my car. It's got these great thumb holes on it right here. I'll do a 360 of it. So another reason I like this jacket a lot is because it's styled well. I think it's a nice slim fitting coat. I'm wearing a size medium right now and this fits me perfectly. It's slim in the arms, kind of tapered in the arms. I just think aesthetically it looks pretty cool. It's got quilted patterns here and then the vertical quilting here on the shoulders. Yeah, it's a nice jacket. It's got lower pockets down here that are zip and closed. It does everything I need it to do. And yeah, overall it's a pretty sweet jacket. Great for when it's just kind of mild. The next one is the Lodge jacket. So I'm a size medium, and I'm probably wearing about one size large, too large on me. But these jackets are really great because they're so versatile. I was just wearing one of these, and it was like 9 degrees. There wasn't a lot of wind, but I was just driving in my car, and this jacket still kept me really warm. They're not rated to go down that cold, or they're not. Their temperature rating is like 25 or something degrees Fahrenheit, but I just found it, they're just really versatile and they're really great. They're cozy, they're big, and kind of puffy, but they're super comfortable. They keep you surprisingly warm. They have a nice hood on them as well. Not all of them do, but the Lodge hoodie obviously does. But yeah, these jackets are designed really well. They're super warm. I highly recommend the Lodge jacket. Alright, so the next one is the Fox bomber jacket. Now I like this one just because of the style of it. I like this large shearling collar on it. I think it looks kind of retro and kind of cool. In terms of warmth, they'll keep it probably just as warm as the Chilliwack, at least in your body core, not in your head, because the Chilliwack has a hood and fur on it. This one's not gonna keep your head as warm, but I like it, and it's comfortable, feels light, it's got good pockets, it's designed well. So for this one, I'm wearing a medium, so it's about one size too big on me as well, but it's about true to size if you're interested. Oh yeah, so also when I'm wearing this coat, I like to wear this trapper hat, Canada Goose trapper hat with it. So it's got nice shearling around the back of the hood and around the ears, and it's a pretty warm hat. I kind of need one when I don't have a hood on this coat. One thing I don't quite like about it is just these ear flaps don't really cling too close to your face or your ears. So when the wind blows or you're moving around in them, the flaps kind of bow out like that, which is kind of annoying because it defeats the purpose of having nice shearling around your ears if it's not even going to be touching your face, because then my ears and my face gets cold. But shearling is really nice around your face and your head. It keeps your ears, it keeps you really warm. So I kind of like to wear this hat with this jacket just because it kind of matches it aesthetically a little bit. Alright, so I saved the best for last is the Canada Goose Murano Parka. This comes from the Bronto line, and I like wearing this coat if I'm going somewhere kind of fancy or I'm trying to look nice, if I have some nice clothes underneath it, because it just, to me, it's a little bit more of a formal looking coat than like a regular parka or bomber jacket Canada Goose makes. So I'll do a 360. So I'm wearing a medium in this jacket. Now I'd probably fit a small a little bit better, but this is kind of nice if I have like a suit on underneath, because it's not too tight. I mean, it doesn't wrinkle up the suit. It's kind of like a pea coat in some ways. There's a lot of great features on it. I'll probably do an overview of this coat just because it's a pretty sweet coat. But it's got nice hand warmer pockets right here. It's got cashmere rib cuffs. It's made of Laura Piana Storm System wool, which feels just amazing. It's super smooth, super soft. It feels like cashmere, and it's really functional. And it's great to have on the exterior of your coats to prevent it kind of from the wear and tear that some other Canada Goose coats have, because I know they kind of split in the arms a little bit and people complain about that. So in my opinion, the wool on Canada Goose coats is a much better exterior because it's more breathable, and if you treat it well, it won't wear out as quickly as other ones. So this coat usually has fur on it. I took the fur off just because I think it looks a little more dressy without the fur on it. With the fur, it looks, to me, it doesn't look as formal. With the fur, it looks a little bit more like a parka, and this one looks more like a pea coat when I keep it like this. So yeah, those have been the coats that I've really enjoyed wearing this winter. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have any questions about any of these coats. Again, I'm 5'8" and 140, and I think I went through the sizes of each jacket I was wearing. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay warm.